Welcome back. Air Asia India flight landed in Goa on Thursday in the evening. This is Air Asia's maiden flight to Goa from Bangalore. 180 passengers travel in the flight. Air Asia India has promised to offer low and competitive airfares, leading to airfare war in the domestic aviation sector.
Air Asia India, the Indian arm of the Malaysian no-frills airline headed by Tony Fernandes, will become the fourth budget carrier in the country after Indigo, SpiceJet and Go Air. The new entrant has already triggered the fare war by announcing fares as low as 990 rupees for its Bangalore-Goa and Bangalore-Chennai routes. Air Asia India has made Chennai as its centre of operations. Chief Executive Mittu Chandalia quoted, "Our airline fares will be about 35% lower than the current market rates."
But our cost structure, we manage every little cost down to the detail. Whether it is how many papers you're printing, to how many cups of coffee we're using, we manage everything and we monitor all of that. And that's not really to say we're trying to save the paisas here and there, but it's a discipline. It's a discipline that one person, when they know they have to print an additional piece of paper, there's a direct impact onto the fares.
The Indian subsidiary of the Malaysian carrier plans to have a fleet of 10 aircrafts drawn from A320 family within a year of starting its operations. With bureau inputs, reporter Dishant Parab for Prudent.
14-year-old minor girl has been allegedly raped by her own brother. Brother of the minor girl is also a minor. Police rescued the minor girl from her boyfriend's residence in Koregaon. The girl was sent for medical examination and reports are awaited. Meanwhile, boyfriend of the girl is arrested under the charge of kidnapping and is remanded to 4 days police custody.
A 14-year-old minor girl has been allegedly raped. Parents of the girl had earlier filed missing complaint at Perne police station. Victim girl now says her brother, who is also minor in age, raped her. The other side of the story is girl was missing from her house. Hence parents had filed a police complaint. Police searched her whereabouts and rescued her from her boyfriend Prasad Malwankar's residence in Koregaon. The girl was immediately sent for medical examination at the GMC. Medical reports are awaited. Police have arrested victim's boyfriend under the charges of kidnapping the girl. Perne JMFC has remanded alleged accused for 4 days police custody. On the other side, police are questioning the minor boy on the charges levelled by his sister, the minor victim girl. Police are further probing facts of the case as the girl was found at her boyfriend's residence. Reporter Vinod Methar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.